Hey everyone, welcome to this Getting Started video tutorial about Qorus Integration Engine. In this video, you'll learn how to set Qorus up on your machine. For those of you who prefer reading, we have a written version of this video on our website. You can find the link in the description. You can install Qorus on your machine by the following steps. Step 1. Install Qorus Integration Engine in Docker. Step 2. Set up and configure Qorus's remote client. Step 3. Install the Qorus IDE in VS Code. The Enterprise Edition of Qorus has 4 Docker images, 2 based on Ubuntu Linux and 2 based on Alpine Linux. All images support 64-bit, x86, and ARM CPU architectures. For this tutorial, you'll use this Ubuntu image to set up Qorus in Docker. Clone the Qorus Docker repository to your local machine. You can find the link to repository in the description. Then change to the Docker directory in the repo. And run docker compose up with the D option to set up and launch the containers in the background. Qorus's compose file is configured with Qorus and Postgres images as its services. The Postgres container will be linked to the Qorus container and provides persistent storage for all Qorus's operations. To check whether Qorus is correctly set up in Docker, visit Qorus's web interface at localhost port 8011. You should be welcomed with Qorus's dashboard indicating a successful installation. Qorus Remote allows you to run Qorus and core commands on a remote Qorus server and receive output in real time. Qorus Remote is installed via Python's package manager pip, so make sure you have Python 3 and pip installed before attempting to install Qorus Remote. Open your terminal and install Qorus Remote through the pip package manager. After the installation, create a Netrc file in your system's home directory. For a Qorus server located at localhost port 8011, you should have the following in your Netrc file. Go to the Extension Manager and VS Code and install the Qorus Developer Tools extension. After the installation, you should see the Qorus IDE added to the VS Code sidebar. To verify your Qorus installation, clone Qorus's building blocks repository and open it in VS Code. Go to the IDE's main menu and connect to the local Qorus instance. After a successful connection, you should see a green light next to the server's name in the Instances tab. You now have everything installed and set up to get started with Qorus. Please follow the link in the description to watch our tutorial on Qorus's Hello World example. We hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.